What's going on, everybody? Slime Dutchman here, and today we're in a game called Drift 86. Now, you know me, I like drifting, I like 86s. This was very cheap on Steam, and I thought, like, you know what? Let's just try it out. It's gonna be a controller game, so there's no wheel cam for this one. We have a selection of... Ooh, I'm already liking this one. But like I've never played this game before. This is the first time I'm seeing it. This is a Need for Speed map, isn't it? Need for Speed Shift. This is the famous Initial D road, I think. They have a lot of maps in here. That's good. Let's just start with this one. That was a faster one. There are some cool cars in this. CRX. I'm a butthead for these. Some people that know me know that I still have a CRX. It's kind of rotting away at the moment because I have no space to work on it for it and everything. And here in Holland, you're gonna have an unregistered, like, or on. If the car is not MOT'd or anything, it cannot be legally on the road, so I have it stored somewhere else. I need to pick that up, really. E.g. some cool ass cars, but let's just start with the basics of this game and hop into the 86. What's the difference? Let's just start with the original. Loving the soundtrack so far. Hopefully I don't get demonetized because of it. Oh wow. We both crashed. Fuck you, bro. I'm leaving you there. Okay, that was a little bit easy with the AI. Oh. The cars feel so floaty. What do you want to call it? Sorry. It floats like hell. It's like somebody made this as a mini game in Little Big Planet. I'm enjoying it nonetheless. I mean, okay, complain for 50 cents. Oh wow. I'm not the best though. Imagine playing this with the wheel. Oh, he's back! Tandems, bro. Oh, damn it. Get back! How's a Civic drifting? How do I keep myself from spinning out or like going wide? Even the AI seems to have trouble with it. I'm liking the maps though. I have not found this map in Assetto Corsa yet, but somebody, I mean, if it's not in there, put it in there. It's probably some famous tollgate that I know nothing about. I look like a noob now, but ah, come on. Also, this car doesn't have a lot of grip. I thought the stats said, so I'm curious to try a faster car after this. What button is the handbrake? Oh, wait. Ah! What have I done? This with the rear view cam? In the corner? It's kinda cool, but it distracts me like crazy. Oh, but you gotta love that soundtrack. This will be the last time that I put like the audio of the game in the video if it demonetizes me, but oh, come on, wall right. Yeah, this is a very arcadey game. Getting it. No, wrong button again. I wanna know what the handbrake is. Once you get it though, it's pretty satisfying. Stop going into first. No. Keeps going wide. Why? This, like, you cannot barely in transition from corner to corner because it just pushes you wide, or you need to like almost come to a standstill and then that's the parking lot. I was about to say, I'm guessing I'm almost there. Wait, do we go around and up? Hey! He didn't went around the pole. He's such a fake cheater. And now I'm stressing because he's behind me again. It's a drifting game, not a racing game. And then suddenly it just washes out. The people who've made this game also made a multiplayer version of this game, which was also 50 cents, and I think I also bought that one. How long are these runs? Also, is he still following me? Because... oh yeah, my points are still adding up. I was like, my points aren't adding up. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get copy strikes for sure on this video. Get on. Two-wheel drift. Get that bonus. Yeah, it's a fun little game, but it's very arcadey. I think it's something that would have more worth on a phone. As a little in-between race if you're, I don't know, sitting in a waiting room or when you're on public transport or whenever you're on the phone playing mobile games. I think this is a good game for that. From PC, it has good vibes, but I think the physics are a little bit weird. Getting better though. Maybe a manual shift so I can put it in second and basically leave it there. And a clutch. Sometimes it just dies out and you can do nothing. Okay, we made it. Let's hop into something else with a little bit faster car. There it is. Yeah, he lost. Big time. Multiplayer beta, but then the other game is full multiplayer. I don't get it. One lap, oh, back and forth, alright. Racetrack, 3 laps, yes. And then we're gonna take something a little bit more powerful. Control. Yeah. Yes. Oh, that's a lot better, actually. Ah! Oh, we have more people. Sick. Okay. If the soundtrack is the same, then I mean, I like some Eurobeat, but if it's the same tunes over and over again, I might have to turn it down anyway. Nah. Yes. Okay. A review with the right car and the right track. This is more enjoyable. I mean, it's still a very simple game, but it's a don't know. Oh, it's enjoyable to get. So I can imagine, especially if you're let's bank this. Yep. Almost 60,000 while the second place is on 20. Alright, that was 3 laps, right? That's too bad. What the hell's wrong with me? Yes. I cannot follow tandems when they're going off course like that. Come here, let's do some tandems. Oh man. The angle of the cars though. Pretty hard though. Wait, what the hell happened with the points? They suddenly just banked an insane amount of points. I had triple their score and all of a sudden they can keep up. What is this for rubber banding? Hey! Okay, one more lap. Time to kick some ass. No! Monica! Don't hit the barrier, that costs points. And then it just shoots you out, damn it. Come on. Get in my way, get out of my way. Through that corner. It's points now, baby. Ah! Fuck the grass. How was it dying out? Ha! Loser. Alright. So let's keep it at that. I'm enjoying the game on like a simple level. Maybe when you're a little bit baked or like at the end of the day and don't want anything too serious, then yes, this is a fun game. If this is on mobile, I think it would serve the purpose a little bit better because it's a little bit too simplified, I think, for on PC, unless you're liking that. But I'm more into sim racing / drifting. But still, the aesthetics, the type of cars you can choose, the music, it's all very good, I think. And well, if the multiplayer version is very good, then maybe we'll do that for next time. But for now, I want to thank each and everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment what you think below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace!